Hi, this is Exodus Trading System trading crude oil during London session, and here are the results for January week 3. We start off the week with first trade that is negative, minus 30 ticks. Second trade got closed out at the end of day. The trailing stop did not trigger here. It was a tick away from being triggered. As you guys see, when ended up negative 20 ticks for that day. Going on to the second day, we got slaughtered. First trade was a negative 30, second trade was a negative 30, and third trade was negative 30. I will not stress this, guys, for you, but you will have negative days in trading. This is part of trading. You will not make money 100% of the time. There is no person in the world that does that, and there is no system in the world that does that. So we are looking to be positive at the end of every month, and this is a system that does that. Trading crude oil, it's a really volatile market, and we develop a system that ends up positive at the end of every month. So it's something to be expected to have negative days. Going on to another day, we have first trade that we took, we got stopped out at a trailing stop plus 20, and the second trade got stopped out minus 30, ended up negative 10 ticks for that day. Going on to the next day, we took a trade, almost got stopped out, but we went to hit its trailing stop plus 20 ticks, and a second trade got stopped out at negative 30, ended up negative 10 ticks for that day. Finishing up the week, we took three trades. First trade was a negative 30, got stopped out. It could not break a support here. Second trade it got stopped out, could not break this resistance, got stopped out negative 30. And the third trade, finishing up the day, it got stopped out plus 20, hitting its trailing stop. For that day, we were negative 40 ticks. For the week, we were negative 170 ticks. These weeks are to be expected. There is no system in this world, guys, that makes 100% of the time the right trades. This is a system that trades and makes positive trades at the end of every month. You end up always positive trading crude oil. As you guys know, if you are a trader, crude oil is really a tough market because it's really volatile and it's hard to trade and to be positive at the end of the month with this system. But we made a system that you can end up positive at the end of every month. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll be coming out with more details and more results in the next videos to come.